What's up buddy, this is Lucky. Welcome back to my channel Lucky Programmers. In previous videos we completed practicing home row and we completed practicing upper row. That means we completed 2 sets on the home row and 2 sets on the upper row. If you didn't watch those previous videos, I suggest you to stop this video right here and go back watch those previous videos by clicking on the I button above, or you will find the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. This is class 5 on English typing. In today's video, we are going to practice the lower row. I am going to give you both 2 sets regarding this lower row. So leave these keys B and N in the middle. Place your fingers like this, and the first set is ZXCV space slash dot comma M space, ZXCV space slash dot comma M space, ZXCV space slash dot comma M space. You have to practice this set 1 for 1 hour for 1 day only. And now the second set is ZXCVBV space slash dot comma M space, ZXCVBV space slash dot comma M space, ZXCVBV space slash dot comma M space. You have to practice this second set for 1 hour for 1 day. So totally you have to practice these 2 sets on this lower row for 2 days. This is more than enough to practice this lower row. 1 hour for 1 day first set, 1 hour for 1 day second set. Totally 2 days practice on this lower row is more than enough to finish this lower row. By now we completed practicing all the 3 rows, home row, upper row and the middle row. We completed practicing all the 3 rows. In next videos we are going to practice moving our fingers up and down onto the upper row and up and down onto the lower row. So practice the sets I have given you today. ZXCV space slash dot comma M space, ZXCVBV space slash dot comma M space. Practice these 2 sets on this lower row for 2 days. That is more than enough to finish practicing this lower row. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video to as many people as you can. Thanks for watching.